All right, hello guys, welcome back. Today is March 3rd, Tuesday, 7 p.m. Just a quick recap and outlook for the rest of the week. Starting off with the NQ, here on the daily, we do see that we did get that bearishness that we wanted, and we're still in this range, but um, there's some movement to the downside. Um, and I did want to look a little bit into it. I guess looking at it in the 1 hour, um, you can see that right here. Let me go back on the daily. You can see that right here we peak one more time into a premium, sweep in equal highs, and then from there we just sell off a lot. And yeah, then we have a slight little retracement reversal in the early AM, or sorry, in New York AM, and then yeah, kind of like slowly falls off a little as it closes. And right now, again, we're very low probability. It's a very uncertain market just because of uncertainty with war and like just foreign policy and just stuff that's happening. So yeah, it's just going to be very, as it already has been very slow and low probability, it's going to be even more so, even more low probability. So it's definitely important that um, you know, practice and exercise very good risk management. But I did take a trade today, and it was essentially this 9 a.m. short inside of this FVG bearish. We swept the highs, and I just took a nice little short. Just targeting, I think it was this low. And yeah, essentially we had that 1 hour FEG, 15-minute rate of high internal with the SMT. I decided to enter when we showed willingness to not want to continue higher and to move lower. But yeah, that's pretty much that for NQ. Continuing on, I do expect some of that continued low probability trickling to the downside. Maybe this time we'll go for the actual low and then maybe move back into the range. Should be a little slow. We could be waiting for NFP as well to uh, kind of give us some volatility. Looking at the dollar, dollar has been pretty bullish. It swept this high right here, and I believe I was expecting lower or some type of reaction from this bearish order block and rejection block, and we got slight trade lower, but then we moved higher and went for this, which I was watching for, and then the high. And from here, I want to see really if we want to continue moving higher or if you want to retrace maybe down into this FVG or even retrace down into this reclaimed order block and then find support maybe. Looking at ZB continued to get some of that bearishness that we were watching for inside of the discount with the bullish order block, and it looks like it's kind of found some type of support after sweeping the low within FEG within order block, and we started getting a little bit higher prices. So from here we'll just wait and see, but this bearish FEG right here could definitely be a good idea with the overlapping bearish order block, and then from there we see if we want to respect it or want to trade and invert it and then use that as support on the way up. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm watching for on ZB. Just watching for that move higher. We could very much move lower, but I like that move higher first. But this is also, again, an inverted bullish FEG with bearish breaker. So it may not need to move all the way here, but again, I'm favoring that move higher. That pretty much wraps it up. Again, I'm actively looking to short the NQ for as much as I can. I know it's a little low probability right now, but we're trying to get off with what we can. Hope you found this insightful. Take care, be safe.